trying to, eh?
Right.
Watch it, guys. Yeah, it is. Close the door on the truck. We gotta go inside if it.
It's not gonna come here.
It's coming here. Close the door. Look at it.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Look at that. Get ready to go inside, guys. Look, you can see the air, the updraft.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Amazing.
Be careful.
Nick, it's down there.
No, it's not that far, car. It hasn't hit the ground though. That's coming right here, guys. Be careful.
Yeah, but what's all that stuff flying around?
It's just.
The thing.
Watch. Amazing, eh?